Good morning, Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com meteorologist here with your morning update. We're going to be in some severe weather situations today. That's why I'm up and at 'em early here for liveweatherblogs.com. You don't usually see me before noon doing a blog, but there's a significant risk of severe weather and tornadoes in the mid-Atlantic states, and that includes this area in Virginia, North Carolina triad, down back through Georgia and down to far eastern Louisiana, where currently there's a tornado watch in effect, and these will continuously move to the east and then spread. Actually, I can see it spreading north and east as the low-level jet will kick in and cause massive amount of wind shear. We have a lot of wind shear available in just to the east of Roanoke. Also in these areas in the mountains are going to cause a lot of shear. So there's going to be some issues today. We also have some winter weather out here in Minnesota behind the front. But right now we have a situation where we're just tornado warnings this early in the morning. Not a thing you're normally seeing on a early or morning. Here's our outlook here. You can see slight risk area. Here's Roanoke. See it's inside of it. Norfolk, BC. All areas going to be the triad. These are all areas that are going to have issues today. But let's take a look over at tornado threat though. Look at this. Look at that 10 percentile. That's going to be Lynchburg east. Lynchburg east. We're talking about that's Raleigh. We're talking about an area that's in the 10 percentile. We don't normally see a lot of 10 percentile in the eastern United States, but there's going to be so much shear and so much available rotation with height that we're going to see big issues here in southern Virginia. And it will probably be a very busy evening and night for me tonight, so you stay with me throughout the day. I'll be keeping you updated. We have the 5 percentile sitting back in Roanoke, so and that's pretty high for here. So we have a busy day on tap here at liveweatherblogs.com. So like I said, stay with us all here at liveweatherblogs.com. We'll keep you all updated, and I'll be having multiple blogs and updating maybe on one blog, excuse me, throughout the day. Hail, not going to be an issue. Wind, also an issue. Storm has a lot of wind energy. Current watches, you can see anywhere from Atlanta to the west, back towards New Orleans. Two different watches here. This is going to project itself northeast when that low-level jet kicks in. So I expect watches here in North Carolina, Virginia, South Carolina as we go through the day. Now here's something that you don't want to see unless you like tornadoes and like severe weather. I might be a little high here, but we have a lot, and I mean a lot, of change in direction with height at the lowest levels here, 850 down. I mean, we got southeast winds over top, southwest winds, and then here northwest winds. So in the lower levels, you got a lot of able rotation here. The shear, the wind adjusts with height and get stronger. This could be an ish situation here. This could be definitely a situation that we have to watch out for. In the Roanoke file, this is the Roanoke plot, sounding plot for the latest one. The lifting index, you have some lift in the atmosphere, but the biggest issue is you don't have a lot of cape. But these systems do not need the cape like you would see in the spring and summertime. So, and we have a low freezing level also, but hail's not going to be the issue. So definitely keep an eye out this afternoon for the severe weather as this low-level jet kicks in. Here just locally, what we have 2 to 3 inches, the slight risk area, all in here. 2 to 3 inches with higher amounts, Roanoke, Bedford counties. So something you got to keep an eye out for, and like I said, the risk of tornadoes will increase. Our shear profile, as you can see, this area is high in shear. And that's one of the reasons we're talking about later, the probability of isolated tornadoes and a lot of wind here in the Roanoke Valley. Now this is what we're going to take a look at towards the evening. This is going to be what surface map is going to look like, and this is why I'm concerned here. The low-level jet will be pushing here from the south. Here's the warm front, so it's going around the warm front. The winds go around counterclockwise. You're going to get the southeast flow, and behind the front you're going to get west flow. So this is the area of most concern to me here in the evening hours into the overnight. So keep an eye on here at liveweatherblogs.com. I'll keep you updated, especially here with the Old Dominion. I'm just seeing a lot of things coming together, and it could be a bad situation later this evening. A quick look. Heavy rain, thunderstorms possible this evening. 55 degrees. That'll probably rise to the 60s. Heavy rain, 45, and starts dropping off tonight, and 46 in the morning, then dropping off in the middle of the day on Wednesday. Mostly sunny on Thursday, 46, 47 Friday, 48 on Saturday. What we got to watch out for here is the probability of severe weather in the eastern part of the United States. I've outlined it for you, and we'll keep you updated here at liveweatherblogs.com. For liveweatherblogs.com, this is meteorologist Dean Davison, and I'll be with you a little bit later.